Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to install, download, and use QQ's Chinese version. So you have to go to im.qq.com/pcqq/ for the download link. Click this download option and it will automatically get the file. So once you're done, you can double click on the downloaded file. A dialog box will appear and you have to click yes. After that, this QQ window will appear. Just click this and wait for the process to finish. So it's almost done, and as soon as it's done installing, you will see this window. You have to unclick everything because they are bundled softwares which are necessary. So after that, you can click this option and you can now use your QQ account. Now, to check your settings, you just have to click on this icon. A new window will appear. And you have to click the last one. Check which device is working. Okay. And if you want to test, you can click on it and the blue bars will indicate that it's working properly. Now for your video, you just have to click this box, to enable preview and click. So here, as you can see, the camera is working. No need to click save. You can just close this window. Just like in the international version, you can copy and paste the Chinese QQ ID or the QQ ID here and send your message. And this one is for next. You can also edit the name. Next and finish. So just like in the international version, a notification will appear in the right bottom part of your screen to indicate that your contact has accepted your request, or if a student is asking to add you as a friend. Now, to accept a contact request, you can see here another notification. So you just have to click on that once. So you can click this to accept, but if you want to edit the name, you can click on this arrow, this option, and change the name. Now for the features, it's the same. So this is for audio, video, for screenshot. You can click on that or use the other tools for the arrow for painting, and send, or press the enter button in your keyboard. Now, if a student is trying to call you, this is the button to accept, and this one is for declining. And to end the call, you should click on the red icon. Now for the additional features, we have here voice recording, especially if your student is not around, you can leave a message. And now for the important new features, we have uploading the material, but you have to download it before the class. So you have to click on the blue icon and upload the material you want to use. Now, as you can see, there is a pointer, especially if you're discussing pictures or words. And you can click on this icon if you want to select or highlight the text. And once again, you can click this icon to draw. And if you want to go back to the material, you can click on this option. Now, if you're done sharing your material, you can click on this power icon and it will stop sharing the material. Now, if you want to share your screen, you can click on the second one. And as you can see, it's now preparing to share your screen. And once you're done, you can click on this icon. So once you begin sharing your screen or sharing a material, it already starts with a call. So it's up to you if you want to mute your mic, okay? And you can end the call as well.